It's the darkest or shortest, not the darkest for sure, but shortest day of the year. Well, it depends on how you measure it, today or tomorrow, but actually tomorrow at 10:20 in the morning is where the globe passes its axle, or in the middle, it's like 180 degrees around the sun. And after 10:20 tomorrow, 10:21, we're moving in the right direction. And no one is happier about that than me, because I'm outside. I love to be outside, but I don't like to work in the dark. So what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna move these stones over there, stabilize that part, and I'm gonna try to make an opening here, because I have some really big rocks I need to put into the wall. Because if I don't put them into the wall, where should I put them? You know, I kind of have to use them. If I don't use them up, every big rock that's left, it's going to be a problem later on. Can't build a wall with just a few big rocks. I gotta have to try to blend them into the wall that I'm actually building right now. So that's what I'm going to do. And if you're wondering why I'm picking down one side or just moving to the other, that's what I'm going to do. I'll use all these rocks, try to stabilize that, make it thicker, and then I'm going to try to get an opening here, and I'm going to roll one huge, big rock over here and put it right next to the tree, and it will look really nice, kind of frame around the tree. I got a big rock on that side, so I'm not going to move it. I'm going to put one here. This one is big, but not big enough. I got bigger ones for that I can actually move. My new pair of gloves today. It's my Christmas present to myself. I hope this is when you use, I don't know what to call it, in Sweden we call it svetsa, when you kind of glue iron together with a flame. It's really thick, hopefully it's some Kevlar in it, so it will not break so fast. Because normally I go through a pair of gloves, even if it's leather and thick, in 2 days. So I hope this one's gonna last me for a week. If it's a week, then I'm happy. It's really hard to find good gloves. I've worn down hundreds of gloves. Always the right glove first, because I'm right-handed. So I end up with a lot of left gloves. Left-hand gloves. And one glove is not easy to have. I've been resting for a few days, I've been working, and so I'm feeling super duper energetic and strong. I have to be careful to get overconfident. I haven't really made up my mind what I'm going to do later on with other rocks in here, so I'm just going to put some of these down. But first of all, open here. That is everything I'm serving up cooking. Yeah, these are that. I just want to point out though that after I put all the rocks into the wall, I will start again, go through everything and then change and stabilize and rebuild and pick down, and keep on doing that for half a year at least. So it's far from home. I had one viewer who commented that I should go take a course, and on the course I'm not doing stone wall safety, and I think he's got a really good point about safety, for sure. But I am Mr. Safety when it comes to building stone walls. I actually have built many hundreds of meters of stone walls, natural stones. I'm not doing it by digging out and with a machinery or anything like that. I'm not saying I'm professor in stone walls, but I do have quite a lot of experience. I do know what I'm doing, and I'm taking safety very seriously. My walls are not going to fall down on anybody, especially no kids or anything like that. So I'm not doing any stupid construction here. I'm trying to be very safe and secure. One thing I know from building all those hundreds of meters of wall is that you do get a sense of it in the end on how to actually put the blocks together. It's the first wall. If you're thinking of building a wall, I would say do it. But be very careful, and especially always avoid heavy lifting. Otherwise you're going to end up breaking your back and getting back problems for the rest of your life, so be careful. Okay. So like I said, I'm just now today is about destroying the wall and making an opening here. So it's actually not so much to see when it comes to building. I'm not saying I'm building a stone wall right now. I'm preparing to rebuild a stone wall. And the reason is, as always, you gotta use up the big rocks. But if you don't, then who's gonna do it? Not my son, not my wife. This is flat, nice rock, but not big house. So majestic. Okay. So next step is to pick a big rock over there. And it's funny, but the rocks look so small in the camera, but then when you're looking at them in real life, like this one here for example, see this one? Let me show you. This small little rock right there, this one, put me together with, I can hide behind it. See how big it is? It's that big. I can't grab it. It's huge. It's 400 kilos. So that's a big rock. But if I step away, it looks like something you can lift. So